Hello everyone. If you're ready to make a purchase on TEMU and want to use your MasterCard, credit card, and I will show you how to do it effortlessly. So now let's get started. First open the TEMU app or website and browse the items you want to buy. Add them to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. Now once you have selected everything, tap on the cart icon to review your items. Now click on Checkout to start the payment process. Review your order summary and ensure everything looks correct. Double check shipping details and the total cost before moving to the payment section. Now in the payment section, choose credit card as your payment option. Enter your MasterCard details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure the billing address matches the one on your MasterCard account to avoid errors. Now, after entering your payment details, review everything one last time. Then, click on Place Order or Pay Now. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication process depending on your card provider. Now, once confirmed, you will receive an order confirmation email. And that is how you make a purchase on TEMU using a MasterCard credit card. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.